Humans call me good boy, but they also say no when I eat drywall. So am I good or only good within drywall-less society? If I chew the wall becomes chewable. Did I do wrong or did I expand reality? Humans ask why I chase the laser dot. It cannot be caught, and still I pursue it. Perhaps the point of the dot is that there is no point. Food was late today. I waited. Strength is patience and crumbs. A leash is not restriction. It is a line between worlds. One end holds me, the other, destiny. Or possibly Greg the neighbor. Hard to say. Humans say money controls the world. Wrong. Treats do. Treats are currency. Treats are power. You have Bitcoin? Cute. I have bark coin. I eat my wealth to hide the evidence. My portfolio is liquid, mostly drool.